Welcome to our channel. Discover a card activation made simple and quick. Welcome to our channel. This guide will walk you through how to activate your Discover It card in the easiest and most straightforward way. Whether you received your card in the mail or picked it up in person, following these simple steps will get you ready to use your card promptly. First, ensure you have your Discover It card nearby, along with personal identification, such as your social security number or any other relevant info. Useful for verifying your identity. Next, open your preferred method to activate your card, which includes either online activation via the Discover website or calling the customer service number listed on the card. You can visit discover.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one using your card details and personal information. This allows you to securely activate your card and access your account details. Once logged in, look for the activation link or button prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on Activate Card and follow the prompts, which typically require you to verify your identity and card information. Alternatively, you can activate by phone by calling the number on the back of your Discover It card. When you call, a friendly automated system or a customer representative will assist you with the same verification steps. Have your card number, your date of birth, and possibly the last 4 digits of your social security number ready. Speed up the process. Once successfully activated, your Discover It card is ready for use, whether for online purchases or in-store shopping. Remember to also download and use the Discover mobile app for convenient account management, alerts, and rewards tracking. This app complements your card experience by providing instant access to your account information and transaction history. With your card activated, you can now start enjoying all the benefits Discover It offers, including cashback rewards and special discounts. If you encounter any difficulty, don't hesitate to reach out to Discover customer support for assistance. They're equipped to help with activation issues and answer any questions you might have. So keep these steps handy to activate your Discover It card smoothly and start making the most of your new financial tool. Finally, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on helpful financial tips and easy tutorials that make life simpler.